Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook nutritious food. Start by selecting fresh, whole ingredients like lean proteins, whole grains, and a rainbow of produce. Prioritize gentle cooking methods such as steaming or baking to retain essential vitamins and minerals. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Remember to minimize processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats for optimal health benefits. Making smart ingredient choices is fundamental for nutritious cooking. Choose lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, or plant-based options such as lentils and beans. Always opt for whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, which offer more fiber and nutrients than refined grains. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to support overall well-being. The way you cook significantly impacts nutrient retention. Steaming is a fantastic method for vegetables, helping them retain up to 50% more vitamins compared to boiling. Baking and roasting are also excellent choices for many foods, preserving their nutritional integrity. When sautéing, use a small amount of healthy oil like olive oil. Try to avoid deep frying, as it adds unhealthy fats and diminishes nutrient value. Effective meal planning and preparation are key to consistent, nutritious eating. Dedicate some time each week to plan your meals, ensuring a balanced intake of all food groups. Prepping ingredients like chopping vegetables or cooking grains in advance can save you valuable time during busy weekdays. Properly store your cooked meals to maintain freshness for up to 3 or 4 days. Use herbs and spices generously to enhance flavor naturally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.